I don't see him.
Sorry, got makeup on it. Be relaxed.
Okay, here we go,
Hey guys, it's me Sylvia, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Do we have a fun video planned? We do. I mean, every video of mine is fun, so you should definitely subscribe so you can watch the future videos that I upload. Anyways, today's video is gonna be extra special because we're basically gonna just be annoying the shit out of my boyfriend the entire time. I'm gonna try and do his full face of makeup while he's playing this game called Fortnite. I feel like if you have a boyfriend that games, you know about Fortnite because it's taken over their lives, people. It is snatching their souls because they are so obsessed with it. Like my boyfriend, all he does is play this game. I can't even have a normal conversation with him because he's playing this game all the time. I even asked him to film this video and he's playing the game. I don't even think he heard what I was asking him because he was like, yeah, whatever. And little does he know, like I'm actually going through with it and I'm gonna go upstairs right now and do his makeup while he's playing this game. It should be really entertaining. Hopefully he doesn't break up with me for doing this video, but you know, I think it'll be worth it because this is gonna be a lot of fun. Before we get started, let's just have a makeup appreciation because I'm really feeling this look. If you guys want me to film a tutorial on it, let me know down below. I have this really quick way that I do these faux freckles and ignore this hideous nail of mine, but I feel like it's a technique I want to share with you guys. Anyways, without further ado, let's go upstairs and see if we can do this full face makeup. I can hear him yelling from down here.
Hit him.
Hey, babe.
I hit him. He's behind a tree,
Ready to film?
Yo.
Do you love me?
Okay, so where are they?
Primer.
I'm literally getting makeup on right now.
Primer, babe. Does this feel nice?
Yo, we should start moving into the circle.
What circle?
Oh my god.
You can still see.
Yo, let's go, or you just wanna wait till it shrinks?
What shrinks?
You have to talk loud, Sylvia.
Hello. Explain the game to me.
Yes, you have to kill people. It's like Hunger Games.
Kill
Everybody
them.
watching this video knows how to play the game.
Well, I don't.
Their boyfriends know how to play the game, 100%.
Well, maybe the girlfriends are watching this and we want to know what...
They're focusing on the makeup, not the
No,
gameplay.
we want to know what is sucking our boyfriends' lives away.
Bro, trying to focus and get my makeup on is like not a thing. Like you've done my makeup 6 times.
Oh, yeah.
How do you not know the color of my skin by now?
I'm using a new foundation. Rude.
I see an attack in the, oh, whoa. Hold on, I'm getting his chest. Is he still with me, Ryan? Bro, I have like multiple ARs. Oh my god, I cannot focus. Okay, I'm coming. Oh my god.
I need to do your
Don't
nose.
do my eyes, literally.
I'm doing your nose, not your eyes. Oh, I got some on your headset. My bad.
There's more. Someone revive Bongo. I can always count on Ryan for the revives. They're blocking my vision.
The makeup is more important, so
I feel like this place is not like popping.
I'm gonna have to move over here.
Okay, can you stop taking up half the screen, please? Oh, S Club, look at this. Look at Ryan on the screen. He's dancing for you guys. Yo, this is how Sylvia is making me feel right now. Look at this.
This is difficult to blend around the mic here, so
Yeah.
can we just move it around? Thank you.
Okay, please stop taking up the screen.
Who?
You.
No. I need to do
You're
it.
taking up the left side of the
It's a
screen.
masterpiece.
Take-
Okay, this is perfect color for your skin.
Like
Why are you
right
dodging
in
the
this.
beauty blender every single time? I need to do your mustache.
Oh, I hate slow games where like nothing goes and then everything goes. Yo, is there a chest on me? I can't see it because Sylvia's f***ing my shit up.
I'm blending your nose. You're welcome. We get all up in that hairline.
I'm stressed.
Oh yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
You got a flawless face so far.
Okay, he's trying to finish me. No.
Oh, you're dead. Let's do your brows.
We gotta go tilted next run.
What does that mean?
Tilted towers.
You got nice brows, babe.
Let's go, Itzia. Oh shit, it's all up to Ryan.
Ah! Don't move! Cute.
Can I see?
Tilt up.
Not this stuff. Bro, why are we in like the friggin' end of the world right now? That's what the storm looks like?
You're on a blimp?
Yo! Tilted towers!
Woohoo!
I would love to get like a gold scar to start the match. Is it better loot or is it just quicker? Okay, yeah, stop.
I need to conceal. I need to blend.
Okay, let me do this.
Do what? You're fine. You're under a stair.
Oh,
There's no one even there.
yeah, bro, going one-on-one with someone in those situations is always rough.
True. Stop squinting. Look at I can't get underneath your eye.
Yo, I'm going Glade.
It's gonna.
Is that a guy?
It's gonna dry.
Yeah, there's a guy in the building in front of Glade. You just dropped down.
No, it's gonna dry. It's gonna dry.
Okay, yo.
I need to blend.
I'm going in the bottom of the building.
It's drying.
Okay, yes.
This is impossible.
Not right now.
Charles, when?
I don't.
I've been trying to blend your concealer for 20 minutes.
I'm below you guys. Oh yeah, the materials is ridiculous.
Okay, now I need to powder your under eye before it creases. Look up.
Oh, I cannot.
You're creasing.
I cannot play like this.
I need to do your makeup. Stop, you're creasing, you're creasing. Just look up.
To the guys in the Lico house?
You're not looking up.
Yeah, on top of the mountain, southwest. Don't finish me, don't finish me, don't finish me.
Finish him so I can do your face.
Oh, who the f was in that tree?
I need a contour.
Oh my god, oh my god.
It's definitely getting in your headset. My bad.
Yeah, he's 100%.
What the heck? Why does it look so muddy?
Where is everyone? I'm coming on the mountain with you, Mongo.
Oh, I got some on your hat. Sorry.
Okay, things are getting serious over here.
Things are getting serious with your makeup too.
They're battling, there's 6 left! Stop.
No.
Please, right now. Please stop right now.
I'm literally nowhere near your eyes.
I'm off.
I'm nowhere near your
I'm
eyes.
off. You cannot play this game being bodied by a friggin' makeup brush the whole game. It's impossible. I cannot focus like this right now.
It's not the end of the world, you need to relax. Look at this cute highlight. You need that Fenty glow, baby.
Alright, I'm going pawn shop thing. Straight down.
Look at that, you guys. Ooh, looking cute. I need to blend a little more, but looking good.
There's a guy over here, Bungo, running up the stairs, coming on you guys, behind you guys.
Okay, I need to blend this side a little bit better.
Bro, how can I break into that thing? Whip a C4 there. Yeah. But I gotta get this friggin' chest in this house, bro. We're dead.
Okay, I need to do this. Let me just cut the contour.
Low key, I have a third gun.
I need to. You're not even killing people. You're just
I'm literally trying to avoid getting
stuff.
sniped right now.
You're just mining stuff.
Yo, let's rush them.
I'm trying to go from the top here so then you can
You
still
keep
see.
shooting them from a distance, I'm gonna rush.
Very difficult.
You got him?
Okay, I need to prime your lids, so now we're gonna move on to the eyes. Like, you need to help
Bro, I'm
me.
stuck in this house.
You need to help me. Just play with one eye open.
Wait. Okay. South. 165 in the field. Ah, not the circle.
You need to prime. Chill, you're making more. I can't even get in there. I can't get in. Okay, we're not gonna do anything too crazy on your eyelids because you literally will not let me be on your eyelid for more than 2 seconds. Thank goodness. Eliminated. Close.
Bro, I can't be winning a game like that solo dolo. I think I got like 9 kills that game. Oh, I'm aged. I think I got like 9 kills that game. 9 kills that game. How much longer?
How much longer? I gotta do mascara and lashes after this, and then lips. We're almost done. But you're literally so into the game. I thought you'd be talking to me.
You can't talk and play this game.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't.
Do it.
That's literally
Okay,
impossible.
close the other eye. I need to do the other eye. You can play with one eye open, you know.
Yeah, if I'm a Cyclops.
This is so hard. I'm literally doing your makeup sideways. Okay, well, I'm waiting for you to be done this one-on-one. I'm gonna spray your face, okay? Just
Yo! Oh my god! We're dead.
relax your forehead.
The whole team's on the roof. Okay, Ryan, come over here. On me. You got him. Get Bongo first.
You can't hear what I'm saying, can you?
No, you said, can you talk? But I need to be communicating with my team.
I'm your team.
No, you're not.
Your teammate in life.
Yo, does
Your
anyone need
partner.
bandages?
You need to talk to me.
Yeah, that's over.
Okay, I need to highlight your inner corner, so just like bear with me.
Yeah, I'm looking nice.
Yeah, you are. I know. Okay, I'm scared to do mascara. You're gonna mess it up.
Oh,
You
here we
can't
go.
squint your eye, okay?
Oh, the palettes.
Wait.
Hello.
Let me do your lashes.
I'm coming.
Coming where?
Sylvia, you cannot be doing this.
No.
This is intense. Okay, now's your chance. I'm gonna build a wall around me.
Don't
Okay, go. Yo, when's the storm moving in? Yo, this storm
We
is
have to do
getting
your
low.
false lashes now, and then we're gonna do the lips, and then we're done. You know what? You're not letting me really do anything I wanted to do. I wanted to do a cat eye.
You knew this was gonna happen.
Why did
with
you
Fortnite.
cat eye? You're not even speaking to me.
I can't speak. Definitely about to die. And Sylvia's about to put my lashes on, bro. I'm old. Wes? Who's shooting a shotgun?
Okay, if you don't kill this guy, I get to do a wing liner.
Okay, sure.
You got
You got it?
It's all over here.
I need to peel these off. These are literally like hurting my eyes.
No, you're fine. They look good. We'll move on to the lips. I need to do your lip liner.
Okay, yo, here we go, guys. I can't talk too much. I'm going low. Oh, he shot me down. There's 2 right below me. At the bottom.
Jesus Christ.
This is the most frustrating thing I've ever had to deal with. I'm literally doing your lips. This is the easiest
Oh,
part.
yeah, that's a banger.
So you need to just relax.
Are we done so I can start this game?
Yes, after I'm done your lips, I'm done.
Thank God.
Ooh, you got a nice neutral
Okay, go.
glam
Fade out.
going on. This is a neutral glam.
My eyes are so itchy right now. I gotta take this stuff off.
It's because you literally have glue all over your eyelid. There's no saving it. Close your eyes so they can see. It's literally everywhere because you didn't wait for the glue to dry. Anyways, I guess you're gonna have to live with some glue on your
I
lid.
don't even care at this point. I need to get kills.
Okay, one more time.
Yep. Ow. That's unnecessary. You're buying me food after this for doing this, by the way.
Heck nah, you're buying me food for being so rude to me this whole time.
I can't even hear what you're saying.
To me. You can't even hear me.
No, I just know I'm getting food.
Okay guys, that's it for the video. You literally could not hear me. You refused to talk while you're playing this video game, but it was honestly the most challenging makeup challenge that I've done.
Yes.
It was really hard.
I'm so stressed right now.
Anyways, at least you slay. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and check out these other videos of mine if you haven't seen them yet, and subscribe to Charlie's channel for him being a good sport. Anyways, see you guys in my next video. Love ya. Bye.